Okay, I just plugged it in for the first time. It's already missing. You can turn this to change the direction of the mist. Just read the directions and they are very clear and easy to understand, unlike a lot of directions that are from foreign countries. So I'm just learning this right now. So it's set at 46, so it has, okay, so you can change the amount of mist that comes out. That's setting 2. 3. That's quite a bit. And then this is cool mist right now. You can change the temperature on there somewhere. Here, warm mist. And then in the directions it says it takes a while to heat up. You put the timer on to sleep mode. This is putting out a lot of mist. Now, hopefully, this is a very large bedroom, so I hope that this will mist up this whole room. It's pretty big in here, so I will update the review after tonight when I sleep with it. Seems to be working great. And I also put in the back, I didn't even know this came with it. I didn't know what this thing was, but they don't really tell you in the directions, but it says on here, I think it tracks the humidity and the temperature. But also then it's got this, which is nice. This has got essential oil, so I have my essential oils already in and I can smell them already. So this is it. And so far, it's going to be great. Like I said, hopefully it's enough to do. This room is approximately 23 feet by 12 feet. So hopefully it'll work in our bedroom, but I will update that.
Hey everybody, I'm doing a review on this ultrasonic mist humidifier. It's low noise and it is pretty quiet. You can hear it when you're standing right next to it, just a little bit, but certainly not loud. It's got different humidity levels you can set it on, which is pretty cool. All the way from 40 all the way up to 90, and it resets down to 40. You've got different mist levels from 1, 2, and 3. You can set that on. Let's just see what 3 is. It's coming out pretty good. I like that you can rotate this around 360, and it's also got a little bit of mist probably coming out of this, but it's got a nice big 6-liter container for the water, and it's got a really nice comfortable handle that you can easily pick up and go fill the jug there. So yeah, pretty cool. It's got the warm mist, which is nice. Timer, sleep timer, and you've got the sensor for the temperature and the humidity levels right there. And that shows you your relative humidity. So yeah, pretty cool little device.
Alright, so I got the humidifier. I actually got it today. And I turned it on. Everything works well. The different mist levels, as you can see the smoke, it increases. This is 3. That's 1. It lowers down. So right now I have it on cool. And yeah, it's great. And also I added some oil in the back of it. They have a little insert in the back down here where you can put some oil in there. I added this in there. Actually, this one is like a multi-pack. Even though I know this has nothing. Well, this is a multi-pack. I put this in there on this little cotton strip thing in the back. Actually I can just show it to you guys. Just push that, it comes out, and right there, pour it right on the little cotton thing, and then you're all set. It smells amazing, and I'm glad I got it. I got one for my room and my son's room, so that's that. So this is the humidifier. I'm a bit disappointed with it because I just hit the sleep button right here. It is on, but then it stopped producing mist. So according to the manual, it says when you hit the sleep button, it's still going to be producing mist. But yesterday I woke up with a dry nose after hitting the sleep button and the lights went off. But when I hit the sleep button, it goes off and no mist comes out, and it's kind of frustrating. But other than that, everything else works great. I've been using it now for a couple of days, and I'm back to give a review. So it deserves a 3-star because you need a moist air when you're asleep. But if you can't get that for this price, then I don't know.
So a nice mist, very, very good size. Get closer and you can see the mist here, how much is coming out, a whole lot actually. This is right, a good size. Look at the mist there. It's kind of nice, don't it? Look.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice.
humidifier, and it's on 3, guys. It's blowing the fullest. It is fantastic.